Hey everyone, and welcome to yet another video. In this video we are going to see how to link a shipment with a delivery note. So if you want to know about shipment, so shipment is a document which is linked with delivery note to get more information of how that particular delivery is going to happen, right? So even if you are shipping that particular product through airway, if you are shipping it through ships, if you are shipping it through trucks, right? So all those information, tracking numbers and everything comes under shipment option, right? So what you have to do is, I have this delivery note which we created in the last video, and inside this delivery note what you have to do is you have to click on shipment. So once you click on shipment, what you will do is you will see this whole form which will come up. Okay, so this is the whole form which has come up, which already have few information like our company detail and where we have to deliver it, right? What you have to do is you have to write down what is the shipment parcel details. So for example, what is the length in centimeter, what is the width, what is the height, and what is the weight, and count. So if you are delivering it in the boxes, you can write down that there are 50 boxes, there are 10 boxes, there are 20 boxes. So I'll just write down that I have this 5 count of this particular item, right? Then you have to fill this form. What is the shipment detail? So is it pallets, is it shipment, goods or documents? So in our case it is goods. So value of good is already written over here. Pickup type is pickup or self delivery. So if you are delivering it, you can choose self delivery, or if it is pickup, so you can click pickup. When is the pickup date? So you can select a pickup date. And this is how pickup from, if there is some kind of taxes applied, if you want to link it with something over here, so you can choose it. Description of the content, right? So you can write it down that this contains pharma, you can just write this content medicines which would be delivered to pharmacy India, right? So in this way you can write it down. Service provider, who is shipping it, right? So for example, if you are shipping it through for example Shipcart, right? So you just have to write Shipcart. What is the shipment ID? So you can just write down the number of that shipment ID. What is the shipment amount? So for example, this delivery is taking me around 5,000 rupees, so I'll just write it down, 5,000 rupees. If there is any carrier service we are using, and what is the AWB number. So all this information you can put inside, and you can also write down the tracking progress. So the tracking progress should be in general in progress at the start. As soon as you will save this shipment document would be created. Once you submit this would be linked with the delivery note, right? So this is how the shipment is created. You can take a printout of it also and link it with your delivery partner, so that share it with your customer also, so that he also have the information of everything while waiting for the delivery, right? So this is something which is very important, and a lot of company use this for tracking of goods, right? So if you have liked this video, please like, comment and share this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.